Hey guys, it's me, the Dead Man again, reviewing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the 3-disc Seriously Ultimate Edition. And it's still the most terrifying horror film ever, I will say. It's the original, uncut, restored, and well and truly remastered. It's telling you there what happens, you meet one of the horror icons, and it was widely banned. 3 discs worth of amazing extras. Just amazing extras right there, you know. Disc 1, disc 2, and disc 1 is the film, disc 2 and 3 are the extras. They're just pop here, pop here, pop here. You can see Leatherface and his family. We're all well and truly fucked up. In the day that doesn't go by that I want to watch this. I mean, I can watch it over and over again and still be shocked by it. So yeah, pretty powerful horror film, very classic, and it's by Dark Sky Films and Second Sight this release. And there it is. So yeah, another review done. See you later, guys.